Hello students, today my topic is resistance. What is resistance? Resistance, the hindrance in the flow of current is called resistance. In different electronic appliances, our requirement of current is different. So according to requirement, we apply resistance. Otherwise, if we provide high current to any component, it will burn. So to stop this, or protect any device, we apply resistance. To stop or limit the current, we apply resistance. मुख्तलिफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लायंसेस में हर जगह इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लायंस में करंट की मुख्तलिफ रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, मुख्तलिफ करंट की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो उस जरूरत के मुताबिक हम करंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अब करंट को उस करंट को हम उस कंपोनेंट के हिसाब से लिमिटेड करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. अगर आप करंट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हर अलग अलग कंपोनेंट में करंट की रिक्वायरमेंट मुख्तलिफ होगी. तो इस वजह से उस करंट के फ्लो को स्टॉप करने के लिए और उसको स्टॉप करने के लिए लिमिटेड करने के लिए उसको अपनी मुकर्ररा मिकदार तक लाने के लिए अपनी एक लेवल पर लाने के लिए हम रेजिस्टेंस अप्लाई करते हैं. The greater its resistance, the smaller the current that will flow through it. In any component, if resistance is higher, so flow of current will be minimum. The resistance of a component is measured in ohms and it is defined by the equation resistance equal to potential difference divided by current. In different component, if we use maximum resistance, so if we increase the resistance, so obviously current will be decrease. So resistance and current are inversely proportional. If we increase the current, so resistance will be decrease. So if we observe the formula, so resistance equal to potential difference divided by current. R equal to V upon I. Now we can say resistance is basically used to limit the current. Resistance is used to limit the current. Look at this figure. We use cell to provide energy, and there is a resistor and ammeter and voltmeter. Remember this thing that ammeter always connect in series and voltmeter is always used as parallel in resistor or parallel to any component. So when will you draw diagram of any circuit, you must draw ammeter in series and voltmeter as parallel. So in this figure you can see R, resistor R will be equal to voltage which you obtain from voltmeter and current I which you measure from ammeter. And you know very well resistance is measured in ohms and symbol is ohm. And you can see the symbolically in figure we use this symbol. In circuit diagram we use this symbol. Thank you very much.